Since July 12th, the presence of a certificate of safety of the vehicle design has become mandatory for the initial registration of vehicles imported to Kyrgyzstan from non-Eurasian Economic Union member states, the Ministry of Digital Development reports. This norm is prescribed in the technical regulations of the Eurasian Economic Union and is necessary for the unified system of accounting and control of vehicles, electronic vehicle passport system. The certificate can be obtained in accredited laboratories in the cities of Bishkek, Osh and Talas. Prices for vehicle safety inspection services have been reduced by 50%. Within the framework of the Eurasian Economic Union, a unified system of accounting and control of vehicles is being developed on the territory of Kyrgyzstan. This system contains only about 100 information about the vehicle. A vehicle design safety certificate is a special document confirming that the design of a car or other vehicle meets the requirements of current safety standards. Without such document, the vehicle cannot be operated on the roads, sold, leased, etc.